Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Saint International ups the ante with Zara. Saint International model sensation Lawrence is making new strides in the fashion industry, this time with global fashion retailer Zara. Lawrence, who is now featured on Zara's e-commerce platform's new collection and donned curative wardrobe pieces shipped from Spain for the photo shoot, shot images for the collection in his hometown of Portland. This marks the first time Zara has called on a Jamaican model to execute a self-directed shoot in Jamaica. Speaking with E-Prime, Saint International CEO Dwight Peters shared that the achievement is another proud moment for the model agency that is celebrating 20 years of success in managing models.
We are very proud and pleased that Lawrence's latest achievement, shooting the e-com for the global renowned retailers of Zara. The shoot was done in Jamaica by Lawrence. Of course, they decided that they wanted to use his beautiful hometown of Port Antonio as the backdrop for the shoot, which was pretty remarkable, and it is particularly poignant considering that we are in the throes of the global pandemic COVID-19. So clients, international clients such as Zara, showing that they have confidence in Saint International models.
Teen modeling sensation Lawrence, who was the first Jamaican male to exclusively debut on the Gucci runway in February 2019, also made history as the first black male model to grace the cover of Vogue Homme March 2020 issue. Listen to the Waves with Alborosie. Reggae artist Alborosie has released a newest single, Listen to the Waves, which was made available for free download. The melodic reggae track, which references the uprising movement and the struggle for more justice and equality in the United States and elsewhere in the world, coincides with the current issues relating to the Black Lives Matter movement and police brutality.
Branches and leaves, so I vision the youths in the world where we live. They abuse and amuse me, confuse me. I refuse the idea executed by honor and of duty.
Alborosie recently released another single dubbed Unprecedented Time. He is currently working on another full-length album, the follow-up to Unbreakable, Alborosie Meets the Wailers United, released back in 2018. Also known as Pupa Albo, he is known for experimenting with sound and also released a project last year called Dub for the Radicals. Alborosie meets the Roots Radix on VP Records' Green Sleeves imprint, which featured live instrumentation, dub sirens, vintage analog gear, and reel-to-reel tape from Alborosie and the reggae icons, the Roots Radix. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.